What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're doing a feature on a car today that I should have done a feature for you guys months and months and months ago. I live in Melbourne and this is the most iconic Melbourne car that you'll ever see. You guys know what it is by the title of the video. It's a VL Turbo, and it's the most VL Turbo that ever VL Turboed. You guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. Let's go check this thing out. Okay guys, let's dive into this build. So we've got a built RB30 DET by JPC. Now they did use the plenum and the 4-inch intercooler from Rajab, which was from a previous build before this owner bought the car. Then they've added in a drag racing extended sump, billet fuel rail, forged pistons, MSD ignition and coil, custom Garrett T66 turbo, Turbo Smart Pro Gate 48mm wastegate with a 3.5-inch exhaust, tuned on a Microtech ECU to run a water and methanol injected system with twin Bosch fuel pumps, boosted to 20 psi to produce 360 rear wheel kilowatts. Now this combined with the 2-step launch control means this thing runs a 10-second pass down the quarter mile. Now, supporting the motor is an R33 Skyline 5-speed manual gearbox with a quick shift, a shortened diff running 3/9 gears and true track center with 31 splined Mossa axles. Now the motor can run a lot more power than it is, but it is quite comfortable where it's sitting right now, and it makes it a tough, fun and reliable street car. So on the interior, we've obviously got some custom gauges to keep an eye on the motor, and then a Calais interior. The factory interior is actually bubble wrapped and stored, which is a very smart idea. So there you have it, guys, that beautiful bright yellow forged meth injected VL Turbo. Man, that thing was sick, and it boogied. It really, really boogied. Look, guys, if you've enjoyed this, please like, please comment below. Let me know if you like these kind of videos, if you want more features, things like that. There are thousands of amazing cars in Melbourne that I can go and do features on. So yeah, let me know what you like. Let me know in the comments. Maybe give me some ideas of maybe some cars that you want to see, and I'll try and find some really, really nice versions of those cars. So guys, like always, please like, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you guys.